This video is going to show us how to schedule our posts from cinchshare.com into our Facebook event groups. So first thing you're going to do is log into Cinchshare. So you'll click the login button. It'll prompt you to enter the username and password, which is also found in the training document, and you'll log in. To find the post to schedule, down on the side, you're going to go to this icon with the little check mark that says Manage Posts. You'll click on Saved and then scroll to where it says Online Parties. You'll click Online Parties and it's going to open up the tab and you'll see all your online party posts. When you find one you want to schedule, you'll click on it and then click the little arrow that says Post, and it's going to bring you into this section. You'll choose over here on the side the Facebook party you're going to post it into. So let's say we're posting into Brianna's Summer Fling. We'll click on that box and we'll adjust the dates based on the posts in our training document. So we can click right into our training document and you'll see post number 1 schedules Thursday at 5 p.m. So we'll go in here, we'll move over to Thursday, which would be the 22nd, and schedule it for 5 o'clock p.m. And then you'll scroll down and click where it says Schedule Post. And then when it asks you, would you like to return to Manage Posts, you can click Yes. And you'll follow the same format. You'll notice all the posts in here are numbered, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And when you go into the training document, they're all numbered as well. Post 1 posts at 5, 2 at 5:30, and so on and so forth.